If you encounter an error about Windows Update that some settings are managed by your organization or your device is missing important security and quality fixes, the update of your window is not working and your Microsoft Store is also showing you an error that pardon for the interruption, both of these things are not working, it could be the issue that there is a software with the name Windows Update. You can just check if you already have that. The purpose of this function is to block the updates of the Windows. So if you have intention to block the updates of the Windows because of you're annoyed by the prompt, it shows that Windows is updating and stuff like that, you can just click on the disable updates and there isn't going to be anything that is going to be updated. Same goes for the Microsoft Store. So Microsoft Store, you can download any game or an app and it's not gonna work for you. So it's just for example, you're just too much annoyed with these updates from the Windows. So basically I didn't knew that I had this update blocker in my system installed because I didn't just install the Windows onto my system. So that was the issue that really worked for me. If you're also having some sort of issue like that and you want to enable and disable your Windows Update, you can just install this software and you can get it done.